if you're an Irish mammy, this one is for you. A really simple phrase in Irish that you can use every day with the kids to add some Irish to your home and make the language a real language for the kids and not just a subject at school. This is how to say hurry up as Gaeilge in Irish. So there's a couple of ways and I'm going to go through each of them now. The first one is Dain Defer, which literally means like to make a hurry or make a rush. D can be pronounced like a J or a G sound, Jane Jeffer, depending on your dialect. You can check here to check this phrase in each of the dialects. Another way is to use brustig, which you might be more familiar with. Brustig is the verb to hurry. Brustig earth is like get a hurry on you, earth meaning on you. Brustig earth, so that's hurry up to one person. Or you can use a more anglicised version, which is brustig sus, sus literally meaning up. Brustig sus, hurry up. It's a phrase that you can literally use all the time, probably every day, to add some Irish to your home. And if you'd love more Gaeilge like this every week, then we have a newsletter that goes out to mummies and daddies every Friday. So be on the list, be on the list. Tossad Gaeilge, you know where it is. Agus long go. Bye for now.